Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do something, well, not quite different. We're going to revisit the technique that we made a couple of weeks ago, which is only put water and acrylic without silicone and everything. I just want to see what's going to happen if you're going to blow bubbles in it. So with a straw. I'm not sure yet, but if you think about the logic of everything, it should do some cells, so without using silicone or white glue. So I don't know yet, we're gonna try it, so let's go and try it. So guys, another one done. I think I did prove my point, being that yes, we can make cells, and very nice cells, even if we don't use silicone or other products. So I think it's nice. I think as I speak to you, because it's not dry yet, but there's more and more cells forming. And of course, as you saw, I did put for the first time my white acrylic glass in my dirty cup. I wanted to show you that even if at first you don't see almost no white on the painting, the white's gonna come over, since the density of the white is much greater than the other colors. So I think it's a great result. I think you can see it. I'm trying to show you a few images from time to time, so you can see the white coming over. I think it's quite nice, and once again we're proving that you don't necessarily need some products to make some cells. Some bubble, some oxygen bubble, and that's enough. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it, because there's no other way as simple as that way. And well, for me, it's kind of great. It's kind of great looking, and I like the cells. There's, up to now at least, there's not much cells, but at least the ones that are there seems nice. I could have burned it. I'm not sure if only water would have reacted with the heat. I'm not sure about it, but either way, I wanted to show you as is. So I think we have a nice finish. Well, at least for my taste. So guys, like always, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.